Hi YouTube family, my name's Elysia English and welcome to my channel. This is a trash to treasure video. If you missed trash to treasure number 1, you want to check it out on my channel. If you want to see more trash to treasure videos, don't forget to hit subscribe. Got my trailer all loaded up and it's dump day, so we're on the way to the dump. I'm just arriving at the dump. I stopped on my way to grab some cold Cokes and some chips for the gentlemen that work at the dump. I'm gonna pull around this bend and see what treasures I can find. It's a beautiful sunny day, so let's go take a look around. Isn't it amazing how many things people just throw away that other people would be able to use for something else? I just got home from the dump and I found 6 items that I'm gonna turn into treasures. I found some removed flooring, an old wood street broom, I don't know what this is, some enamel nesting pots, a galvanized steel pan, I don't know whatchamacallit. Just using bleach and water to make sure everything's nice and fresh before I restore it. While I'm waiting for some things inside to dry, I'm gonna prep some of my things that are gonna be spray painted. How I've turned today's trash into treasure. I took this item that I'm not really sure what it was. I'm guessing some kind of feeder. I left it green because I have a lot of green, black, and white decor on my porch. I put a dish inside that I can add water to it, and I'm going to make it a feeder for the birds. So I'm going to add some water and some feed and hang it up. Galvanized tray that I had and spray painted it with black paint. I gave it a little bit of distressing and then attached some magnets to some pieces of 1x2 to spell out some letters of the alphabet. I'll be able to create more letters and use this as a message board with my family. I took those enamel pots and spray painted them with black paint and put some really cute punny sayings on the front of them. I took the metal grating that I found and I turned it into this awesome bass fish where my son can hang his lucky lures. I sprayed the grating black and then I used my scroll saw on a piece of scrap plywood to create the fish shape and hung the lures. This is officially my favorite thing that I made today. I created this boot brush cleaner which would be perfect for my way home from the dump. I'll be storing this in our mudroom. I used the plank flooring that I found, some spare 1x2s, and of course this street brush to create this awesome boot scrubbing station. I applied some handles so it could be easily dumped and cleaned outside, and I put a cute little quote, "Leave your worries and your boots at the door" on the front. I want to know which one of these projects was your favorite. Leave me a comment down below. If you like this trash to treasure video, you don't want to miss my trash to treasure number 1 located on my channel. Thanks YouTube family, because of you, we've just surpassed 9,000 subscribers. Hit subscribe and come and create with me on the next project. If you want to see more trash to treasures, hit that like button.